This project was brought to life by our talented student, Muneeswaran, at CADD Centre Selaiyur. He began with precise 2D layout planning in AutoCAD, ensuring a solid foundation for the design. Next, he transformed his vision into a 3D model using 3D Studio Max. Here, every detail started to take shape, from the building structure to intricate design elements. Finally, Muneeswaran imported the model into Lumion, where he added materials, landscaping, and water bodies to enhance the environment. He even included animations of people walking around, bringing a dynamic feel to the scene. The project concludes with a stunning walkthrough, allowing viewers to experience the space in real time. At CADD Centre Selaiyur, we empower students to bring their ideas to life with advanced tools and techniques. Join us to start your journey in design and modeling.